Kimsey, what I got? What is it? Do you see a ball? That's not how we throw the ball. No. Go sit. Lucky, you can't come out when Kimsey's playing ball. You gonna throw a fit? Want it? Go. Go out there. Nope. Okay, you ready? Ready? Whoa, good catch. Good catch. Come here, bring it back. Give me a ball. Give me a ball. Do you want me to throw it? Can I throw it? Put it down. You ready? You missed it. Well, you gotta drop it. Don't bark at me. Kimsey, give me the ball. I know. Ew, it's so slimy. Where'd you go? There you are. You ready? Did you get it? Yeah, where's it at? Okay, you ready? Good girl. You're griping at me again. Really? You think so, huh? What? I see it. I know it's there. Okay. Ask nice. Ask nice. Kimsey. I see it. Are you asking nice? Are you asking nice? Sit. Can you sit? Sit. Kimsey. I see your tongue. No. No. Oh, you're trying to be sneaky. Say bye. Kimsey. I'm not playing ball with you anymore. You steal it. What? What? No. Do you want me to play? Okay, you ready? Daddy's home. No more ball, Kimsey. Daddy's home. Bye, Kimsey.